Need direct access to your server for file transfers or advanced commands? SSH and SFTP make it possible. CloudRaptor provides secure remote access details, including connection credentials and ready-to-use commands, all in one place. To access it, go to the server's dashboard, select your server, and open the SFTP and SSH tab. At the top, you'll see an important security reminder. Always store your private key securely, never share it, and consider using a passphrase for extra protection. Anyone with access to your private key can fully control your server. Below that, you'll find your connection details, your server's public IP address, the SSH port, usually 22, and the default username, commonly Ubuntu. Both SSH and SFTP protocols are supported. CloudRaptor also provides ready-to-use commands. For SSH access, simply copy the command, paste it into your terminal, and connect using your private key. For file transfers, you can use SFTP or SCP. Just replace the private key file name, your local file, and the destination path on the server. If you don't already have your private key, you can download it directly from this page. It's stored securely and required for authentication. With these details, you can securely connect to your server, transfer files, and perform remote administration tasks with ease. That's how you access your server using SSH and SFTP in CloudRaptor.